we want to set up a moon base before we can fly to planet Mars.
So we had a dream of making a competition and inviting the best people in the world, saying, please show us how to 3D print with materials from the moon and Mars.
What's interesting about space architecture is you're experiencing the most extreme version of what you do for a living.
How we actually design for a community that lives in a completely internalized space.
Because the minute you step out in Mars, like as humans, we would die.
It's kind of moving back to caves. You know, you really want to live in caves. You want to have some mass around you.
The functional challenges are so extreme. They really force you to think about how to extract beauty from the least amount of material, from the least amount of energy, in the smallest space possible.
You send the machine, okay, and the machine can build multiple houses.
We can create really large structures, but with small robots. It's a bit like termites would build a termite nest.
Then that machine can keep on going and keep on building.
You might need a big restaurant. You might need a large gym. You might need a bar.
So you can actually think of bases, you can think of colonies, you can put buildings where they need to be.
We started with the design of a space station made up of modules inspired by organic models. We've got flowers, leaves, so there's really this idea of a connector and petals that will develop around it.
Why astronauts are supposed to just survive in space? Why they can't just thrive? Why space can't be as beautiful as their own homes?
This is the first times in history that you really get NASA's scientists and engineers collaborating with architects, which is making this round of space exploration much more interesting than the Apollo era.
Humans can't exist for their lives in cold, sterile, machine-like spaces. Without beauty, I don't think we are going to be able to move beyond